Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken buffalo sauce. First, gather your ingredients: hot sauce, unsalted butter, white vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of garlic powder. You'll also need a small saucepan and a whisk. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can enjoy delicious sauce in minutes. Now let's combine everything. Pour 1/2 cup of your favorite hot sauce into the saucepan. Add 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, cut into pieces, to help it melt evenly. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Finally, add a small pinch of garlic powder for that classic buffalo kick. Place your saucepan over medium-low heat. As the butter begins to melt, start whisking continuously. This helps emulsify the sauce, creating a smooth, creamy texture. Keep whisking until all the butter is fully incorporated and the mixture is gently simmering. Avoid boiling, as this can separate the sauce. Once the sauce reaches a gentle simmer and is well combined, remove it from the heat. Your easy buffalo sauce is now ready. Pour it over your crispy chicken wings, tenders, or even use it as a dip. For best flavor, serve warm. Any extra sauce can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.